Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB4023057. So if this update is not updating, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run update troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now click on system. Now click on troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. Here you can see Windows Update in front of it. Here you can see Run option. Click on Run. And once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 11 once again. Now the next step is to restart Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. For this, type in Services in Windows search box and then click on Services. Now find Windows Update in the list. Make a double click on Windows Update and then set the startup type as automatic. Then click on Apply. Click on Start if highlighted and then click on OK. Now with Windows Update selected, click on Restart the service. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Make a double click on and then set the startup type as automatic. Then click on Apply. Click on Start if highlighted. Then click on OK. Now with this selected, click on Restart the service. So click on Restart the service. Now after this, update your Windows 11. Now the next step is to use Windows 11 Installation Assistant. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website and you will see the option to install download Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 Installation Assistant and then click on accept and install. Now if Windows 11 Installation Assistant is not opening, in that case go to the download location. So open File Explorer, go to downloads and then make a right click on Windows 11 Installation Assistant, then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab and then put a check on the box which says run this program in compatibility mode for, and select Windows 7 from the list and then click on apply. Click on OK, make a double click and then you should be able to see accept and install, and after the installation your Windows should be up to date. Now the next step is to reset Windows Update components. For this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy the command till here. Now open Notepad. So type in Notepad in Windows search box and then click on Notepad. Paste all the command. And then go to File, then click on Save As and name this file as wufix.bat. And then for Save As type, select all files and you can save it to desktop. Click on Save. Now go to desktop. Make a right click on wufix file and then click on Run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening this file as an administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Now this will open command prompt. First of all, it will stop all the Windows Update components and then it will run some scans. Now there are a couple of scans, so it will take some time. And once the scan is complete, it will restart all the Windows Update services. After this, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 11. Now the last step is to use media creation tool to update your Windows 11. Go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow.
This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11. Click on next. It will check for update. Then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now, before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer.
So one of the steps should help you to install this update successfully on your computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.